Hmm.
Yeah. So today is 27th June. On Saturday, we are having the weekly mastermind session. So as all of you know that on this particular week, on this particular class, basically I want to have this dedicated to answer all your queries and also to go through the concepts that you're not clear with, right? So in that way, you'll be able to bridge the gap with respect to the support that is required. So many times what happens, just going through the video will not always be helpful. Yeah, it will give you the understanding, but the clarification part will not be there. So just to make sure that gap is actually bridged, you're having this session actually. Yeah. So now Vijay, which area you're having a problem? So probably I'll try to focus more on that area, and then we'll get
No,
started.
no, no. I think right from basic actually, because first of all, this mind map, the way you have started off,
Hmm.
like introduction and all I have seen, but
Hmm.
where do you start? How do I put on a thing? What this thing I have to download? I am not even still aware of that actually.
Okay,
See, at the
let's do one
basics
thing.
thing, I'm not.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's make it a hands-on exercise today, okay?
Oh,
So
super. Tell me. Okay,
grab
okay.
a paper and pen and come back to this location. Let me know once you're ready.
Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute, sir. Just give me 1 minute time.
Sure, sure, no problem. I'll wait.
Just give me 1 minute.
The primary rule for you to get started with mind mapping is that you should have blank paper and we're going to
Yes.
start writing it from the center, okay? So what I will do is we will do a hands-on, and as you're writing, I'll show you in the PPT how you should be starting with, and then you can get started. Just give me a minute. Let me open the PPT. Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, I was speaking in mute actually. So start with the center and do the exact way I did actually on your paper, and let me know.
Yes, yes, yes. This I am. Yes, sir. This,
Yeah.
this I'm aware. This, yes.
Okay. So
In this actually. But
yes,
what is this software you're using, sir, right now to put it
uh,
on the computer?
the one which I'm using is called iMindMap actually.
I
Let me
mind. Okay,
share
okay.
iMindMap.
That you need to download, sir.
Yeah, basically this is a paid version. What I'm using is a paid version.
Okay,
Um,
okay, okay.
just let me know you're able to see my screen. So
Yes, yes. I am able to see your screen.
iMindMap features.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this is a paid version actually. But if you want to get started with any of the basic versions, let me show you that. Basically, this is used for the presentation, and then you want to create a high impact, right? And you want to be looking very professional, and also meantime, you want to keep your things easy,
Exactly.
right? Then these are the tools that we use. This is one is iMindMap, the other one is Iowa. Let me share the Iowa actually. So if you have done the manual piece, which I have already told you, next step would be that getting started with the Iowa. So let's go to Iowa. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. I can see your screen.
Iowa.
But,
Okay.
yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah. So we can log into Iowa. Basically, if you want to really, try out something to come out with a very professional manner, Iowa is the tool that you can get started with. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Iowa. AI.
AYOA.
Iowa. Okay.
See, basically, this is an authentic tool which is endorsed by Tony Buzan. Tony Buzan is the father of mind mapping. So he's the person who actually discovered and implemented all these things, right? Now,
Okay.
this is tool actually works exactly the way that Tony Buzan describes how a mind map should be actually.
Okay.
So this is a very, very innovative things, and it's very beautiful actually. I can show you how to get started with this.
Super.
So if you want to start doing it with a
I can log in, sir, that way in the thing, Iowa? No.
yeah, you can just observe it now, and then I will
Okay, sir. Okay.
then you can
Okay.
actually log in. Okay, I'll show you that. So you can click on the speed map and click and type in the name that you want to. So today is a mastermind class, right? So today
Mastermind.
is 27 June. Okay, so I'm just writing it. I know that because I keep creating a lot of mind maps. So we'll start with the blank one, or you can choose a template which is available. Okay, so let's start with the blank one first, and then we'll go to template later. Now, if you choose a blank one, it will allow you to choose which one you can actually do. Center one. Okay, whatever we drawn in the paper as the center one, the same thing can be done here. Okay, any shape you can choose, you can change it later, so you don't worry too much about it. Get started, and then you can always change it. Now, if you look at the PPT where I showed you how you write the circle and then the rays that is going out, right? These are the rays. You can add it as a branch actually. Add the shell branch on the right side or on the left side. Either way, you can just go ahead and start adding it. Okay. Now, so what we are trying to do today is on the branches, right?
I can hear you, sir.
You can hear me, right? Yeah. So these are the branches that you are actually looking at. So what we are showing today is basically more like a demo of Iowa, right? So
Yes.
demo of Iowa. So I'm showing you how to create a branch. So ideally I should have started with this, but I started with this. So there was a mistake or sequence mismatch happened. How do I correct it? So I take this and put it here. So it becomes here as a branch, right? So
Okay.
the beauty is that you don't need to worry about in which order, which sequence you got to make it. You just keep doing it and you can reorganize, arrange it later. Okay. So what happens when you're actually going to here, you can start adding. Normally you can add one on left and one on right. So you can actually balance it out. Now, when you're actually doing it on Iowa, the first thing I was telling you was that it's an authentic system. Okay. Which was, Tony Buzan has, confirmed it, or I would say he has actually said yes to it. So it is designed in exactly the way, that Tony Buzan prescribes, okay, describes how a mind map should be. So these things is, created like this. You go ahead and keep on adding it. Now you build a mind map here, and then see you have in Iowa, you've got a both, different versions are available. You can use a web version. What I'm using is a web version. You can use a desktop version, okay, and then you can use a mobile version. Anything is fine. So whatever you do it in here, you can open it in desktop or open it in mobile. It will get synchronized. That's the beauty of it. Okay. So these are the different versions which are available. So now what I'm going to show is, now this is to make sure you are creating it in a very, very high speed manner. Okay. Now, if you want to look at, to get it more visually appealing, we'll go and click on view as, and then we click as an organic map. Okay. So
Okay.
do you
Well,
see the
a
way
lot
it
of
has
difference.
changed?
Yes.
Uh,
Branches.
yeah,
The way it's branching out
branching
looks
out.
really nice. Yes.
Yeah. So when you have lot of things coming in, you will have lot of things, to alter it. So it automatically does. I'll show you one more view, which will be blown away. So if you want to create some presentation and then you want to show a lot of things, you can click on something called as radial map.
Oh
This
my goodness, God. Really nice. Super.
super, sir, super. No, so you know how exactly how we created and what we are presenting actually entirely different, right? So you can't even imagine this kind of
Exactly.
thing will come on. So
Exactly.
what you can do is you can create an, you can go back to stream map where we are actually looking at, create it in such a fashion that it becomes, for example, you want to summarize the entire book, right? Or you want to put some formulas here, all those kind of things you can put it here and then go and take it in a radial map, and that becomes in a new way. And if you feel that radial is not sufficient, going with a organic is better, you take an organic thing. So then you
Uh,
can export this, you can actually create a PDF and then take the printout of it and then paste it.
okay.
So what happens is this gives you so much of flexibility of doing it. Now, let's say, how do you add an, you can add in this particular thing, you can add images, you can add actually video links, everything is possible. So now whenever I do this thing, I'll normally keep it as speed map because it will be faster. And then
Okay.
you can change it to any view that you want. And there is no specific thing which view you have to use. Whichever you feel comfortable, you should get started with that. Okay.
Okay.
How
Okay.
do you start and view? I'm in this one. If you look at this, you can change this, colors of whatever you want to do. You can add any smileys and all those features are available. You can actually do anything. So
Mm.
it's basically it's there. And then you decide that you want to add some image. Okay. And you want to search actually. There is something called as unsplash.com. See, all the images you cannot use it right away, whatever comes in Google. Some of them will be copyrighted. So it is very risky to use any images that you want. So, but if you go to unsplash.com, they give all the free images which you can actually take and put it. Now, what Iowa has
What you said? Unslash.com. Huh?
Unsplash, you can see here, unsplash.com. I can put this in, unsplash.com. Okay.
Okay.
So you can just go and search, we need images, right? So I'll just search for images. All these things are images only, right? So you can put it like that. Did you see how it came in, just we picked one image and it was there inserted. So you can choose anything actually. Let's say I will do image 1, image 2, and image 3. Okay, all three are there. I'll come here. I'll choose whichever I want to be inserted here. And then what you can do is go to style, add, and add an image, and you want to search for, let's take some image. Tell me some random things.
Bike.
Bike, okay. See, so I've added here. I'm telling you this is a bike. Next,
Car.
car, okay. Let's go and pick something. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so you will have different options. Okay, car also, you can choose different things. So this is one image. There may be something, yeah, there's another one. You can put this as a car. Okay. Next,
Aeroplane.
aeroplane. Okay, let's do aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane is there. Add this as an aeroplane. Okay. So now what we
Very
did
nice.
was
Opera.
within a fraction of seconds, we were able to create this. Now let's go back and look at the radial view. Okay. An organic map.
Organic map.
Yeah. Do you
It
see
looks
this?
wonderful. Yes, super. It looks.
Super. So you can actually still, alter this later and all. All those things are there. You can do further alignments the way you want and other stuff. But this is just so quickly you are able to do that. That's the beauty of it. Okay.
Exactly.
So,
Organic view is really nice.
really,
I think their presentations and all they are doing right now. I think with the organic.
yes. Now look at the radial view. How it is coming. Car, aeroplane, and bike. You can choose the
Yes,
the,
yes, yes.
how do you want to go with web version, desktop, mobile. Suppose if you're giving a presentation, right? You're going with this, and then you got other planes, right? For example, let's go and add some more. Okay, let's go to speed map. In planes, you tell different versions that you could have. For example, jet,
Jet plane, Airbus.
Airbus, then
Then what's a tiny one called? Helicopter.
yeah, helicopter.
Hey.
Now let's go to here one by one. Okay, let's see if we have got any jet images.
How you're going to say? You are selecting jet. You're just clicking on WhatsApp to put the image inside there.
I'll show you once again. Yeah. Now let's do for Airbus. Okay.
Airbus here come. Yes.
You've got a second
So,
one.
second one style. Okay.
Style. Click on that. Click on
Yes.
add. Click on search.
Where you're clicking on add, sir?
I'll show you this. Click here. Here you are seeing on the right side called add. Here. Can you see this?
I cannot see your pointer.
Can you see my point?
Yes. I can see your
I'm
pointer.
going
Yes.
on the right side, rightmost. Can you see your
Okay.
add?
Okay.
Can
Yes,
you
sir.
see that?
Yes. Add. Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is Airbus. So I'm going to. It can still have other things. I'm just for the simplicity of the time. I'm just choosing, whatever the image is you're getting. You can actually customize, the way you want. I'm showing you the techniques of Boeing. I'm putting Boeing there.
Yes.
Then you got helicopter. Let's go and put the helicopter.
Search. Add. Search. Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now you see, now let's go to the radial, the organic map. So there is something called as a cleanup option. If you do that, it will automatically align. Okay. Okay. So we might need to do some adjustment. We'll do it later. That's okay. But I'm showing you the process.
Hey, it's really nice. Well, at least I'm learning whatever. Actually, I was thinking how you're going about doing all this.
Yeah,
Because
it's very,
yesterday even I think you must be knowing Murli Sundaram, sir. Happiness thing coach actually. He was presenting yesterday all through this only actually. He was presenting a class using this mind map only, sort of
yeah.
one point to another point, and full it's going on like very neatly presented.
Yeah. So now if you come here, click on here, aeroplanes. So in
Yes,
aeroplane
sir.
we have got different sections, right? See, look at this. You got helicopter, Boeing, everything is coming here.
Yes, sir. Yes, 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 yes.
All those things are already there.
Oh, beautiful.
So that's how you create a stunning once. You got to have a right tool and you should know how to use it. That's the primary thing. And then you can always look at, exporting this to, yeah, whichever way you want, you can export it as a PDF.
How do you export that, sir?
You
Now,
have
what you created?
export. So I'll show you once again. If you click on this, you have something called as export here. And
One
you can
minute, one
export.
minute. Where you clicked on, sir? You clicked
You
on
have
the.
three lines on the rightmost top. Can you see my pointer here at the center?
Yes, 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 yes.
Let's go on the rightmost thing.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Okay, 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 okay,
So
okay.
you can put it there. You can click on that. And then
Okay, 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 okay.
you can click on export.
Yes, yes, I got it.
So it becomes a PDF actually.
Okay. Export as PDF. Okay.
Yeah. So you get this to export and then you can actually start using it.
This will be open in normal thing, a laptop thing, or you have to download one file for this now.
So PDF, you can
Open this
download it in your local machine.
PDF. You can put it in my laptop and then
Yeah, yeah,
present it.
yeah.
Like
Absolutely.
step by step, it'll be compressed. Actually, step by step, I can do that. Now, like
That
opening up
thing,
one by one branches.
that you cannot do it. For that you need the software step by
Okay,
step.
okay,
But if you can have an expanded version.
okay, 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 okay. Like this one, it'll be fully. Now, as
Actually,
ever, the wherever way you have saved it,
yeah,
that way only you can present it.
correct. So you can actually,
Now,
yeah,
not like plus and minus that you cannot do.
that,
Branches.
no, for branches you need the software.
That's called the mind map software, right?
Yes.
That is chargeable, sir, or how is it?
This one is for the first three mind maps, it is free. The remaining
Okay.
things that will be chargeable if you want to do it. But if you want to decide to reuse, the three and then delete and again you want to reuse, that can be free actually.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Okay. So that is one thing that you can actually look at it in this Iowa.
Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
other things that you can also look at is various, planners you can do it actually. So planning you can do. What is the planning, execution, and everything. So
Very
now
useful.
next and soon. Can you see this?
Wait, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute. Because I am actually on a mobile. I'm sorry because I couldn't connect to my laptop.
Oh, okay.
So slowly. Planning, I can see. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you should connect through the laptop because
I know. Actually, if you wanted to connect, then I was on official thing. Then I couldn't change it immediately. Then I came online because 7:30 you are already there.
yes. Yeah. So now what we can do is we can use any one of them and convert this into a task actually. So let's look at how we will do it. Um, so
Hello, sir.
initially, hello. Can you
You
see?
said planning. Planning you went right first.
Correct.
You went to the
Plan.
planning sort of. Then you will get the menu like this.
Correct. So there are a couple of things. One is you're putting your idea here. So what I showed you was just a demo. What we have.
Okay.
Now let's say you want to. What do you do actually, Vijay?
I'm actually working as a sales manager for Sun Pharma company.
Okay. So
I
let's.
cover Karnataka, Andhra, and Telangana.
Very nice.
Sir, but now not able to travel much.
Okay. So you're a sales manager. Let's do one thing. Let's open a new mind map. Okay. So that yeah, I'll show you how you can use this in your day-to-day life. So I'm starting here. I'm putting pharma sales. Okay.
Yes.
Now, in your day-to-day, what are the activities that you do?
We are done right now, though it'll be doctors. Number of doctors will be meeting. Number of chemists will be meeting.
Hmm. Then,
And what will be the as on date day-wise sales? What will be the sales?
hmm. Then,
And what will be the various activity? What is the status?
hmm. Okay.
And then input utilization.
Hmm.
So basically, these are the things, major parameters. What do you look at?
Okay.
One is activity, the
Hmm.
sales, the day-wise sales, the input utilization, and the coverage.
Then,
Coverage territory-wise,
okay.
territory-wise, and different places coverage. Places coverage you can put, or territory-wise coverage you can.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Broadly, these are the various things actually.
Okay. So now let me put it. I think this color is looking better. So let me take this out. So we are going to do the meetings, right? So let me add the meeting.
And also, after this will be your meetings and then training programs.
Yeah.
That will be other part. To develop the colleagues.
Okay. Training programs.
Training programs to develop colleagues, and then quarterly meetings. That will be review meetings basically to ensure what is the present status of sales and how you can go about
Yeah.
and what way we can improve sort of. So that will be review meetings, quarterly meetings.
Okay. So quarterly meetings. Okay. So I put this, all these points that you actually talked about, right? Now, what is going to happen here is, so we have said this should come under this, and this coverage wise the territory and the status. Okay, status basically the status would be daily status, daily,
Yes.
weekly, and monthly,
Monthly. Yes.
whatever is.
You are right. You are right. You are right.
Okay, so daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. All these things are available.
Yes. 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 You are right.
Now, if I take this and look at the particular activity, so I need this one to be done by somebody, right? So who is going to do this daily meeting?
Daily, you are talking about sales sort of. Hello.
Yeah. Who are the people? Name of the people.
Meetings will not be daily actually, but will be the
Okay, let's take out weekly. Let's take out daily. You have got,
okay, daily. Okay. You're talking about daily was doing okay.
yeah,
Daily you'll be meeting doctors actually. You'll be representatives. They'll be
correct.
representatives, area managers,
Okay, so it will be
regional
representative.
managers. Daily basis, they'll be doing activity. Means calls.
Okay, area manager.
Basic first level is medical representatives. Second level is area managers, and third level will be regional managers.
Area managers and regional.
Regional managers.
Okay. Now, what we will do is, now this is an activity that you're having. Like we can convert this into a task actually. So let's look at how we can do that. So if you go here, one. So let me know once you're able to see that.
Yes, sir. I can see.
Okay. So can you see this as a planning, unplanned task, my planner?
Unplanned task. Yes.
So in this, you can choose multiple things, but I'm choosing the most simple Kanban technique. So Kanban technique is something, it is also popularly, a Japanese method wherein you simplify the entire planning in three sections. One is planning, execution. I mean, what you're going to do now, what is the plan for the next one, and what is the soon one you want to do. So you can alter this instead of now you can change this to something, but to keep it simple, this is what you can look at, right? Now, if you go to your
Yes.
mind map that we have actually prepared, let's go to the mind map that we actually prepared. Okay, menu, page, and all of them. Forma is what we have picked for. Now, actually, what I can do is I can go to a status on a weekly basis and I can assign the task actually.
Yes.
So this task is a weekly task is there. You can assign it to somebody. So here you will have a list of people who will be allocated.
Yes.
You can add initially. So for example, this is done by yourself. So then I'll put it as myself and plan this under which one. Do you want to do it now or the next or soon? Which one is the right one? Weekly one, you want to do it now or next or soon?
Weekly. No, no.
Now what?
Weekly.
Weekly, so maybe next.
Next.
Okay. And you can put a task code you can add. As of now, we have not added any task board, so that is why it is not showing. So we'll not be able to add. So let's go back and add one task actually. Let's add one task branch and then we'll come back here. So we'll go to my planner and in the my planner, let's add one new task actually. All task. Okay, I can use the existing one. You don't need to do the new one. Okay, let's go on. So this is my planner. Just give me a minute. Okay.
No problem, sir.
People keep changing their interfaces. So yeah. So let's create a new one. Okay. So I'll create a workflow that is more comfortable. Pharma sales. And I am actually creating it. I can add a email also. So what's your email ID, sir?
Vijaykumar1969@yahoo.com.
Vijay Kumar 19.
VIJYA KUMR 1969. Vijaya. 1969@yahoo.com.
Yahoo. Okay, sorry. Let me add that. So if I'm adding here, and I'm going to click as create taskboard. Okay. So this has created a new taskboard already for us. You can add the category that you want actually. So we have chosen the workflow one, add category. First one is, whatever you want to start with, pipeline. Next one is now. Done. You can create anything actually, which feels you, make you comfortable. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can make it as a planned one. You have a lot of activity which you want to get started. Out of that, you can have
And
hundreds of.
now I know this is a challenge today actually. Even meeting doctors become challenge now.
Yeah.
You're not able to meet
Yeah.
the number of doctors and all those stuff because everybody is in really stress now.
Yeah. And nobody wants to meet physically also with this condition.
Exactly.
So, okay. That's a spell mistake. That's okay. So I'm showing the concept so you can just go through it. So yeah, so when I'm doing it, my planner, I've created one planner called Pharma Sales. Okay. Now we'll go
Yes.
to the mind map. We have created a mind map here. So we want to add this actually. Okay. So let's add this into the taskboard. So you want to create this as a status as a one of the tasks. I'm going to assign it to you. because you are the owner of this. The task board is farmer sales. Category, you have 3, planned, now or done. So
Yes.
which one you want to do? So weekly one, is it in plan or you're going to do it now?
Which one, sir? Weekly, yeah.
Weekly status report, status, do you want to take it now or you want to take it on Monday or something like that? Next week.
Usually, Saturdays. Usually we do this Saturdays actually.
Saturday means now, probably today.
Mm. Mm.
And I'll mark as add task. Okay. Similarly, monthly. Monthly one, when do you want to have this?
Monthly will be on first of the next month. Like,
Okay.
if for example, June will be on 1st July.
Okay.
1st or 2nd July, you have to submit the report.
So this is actually, it is planned. It is not going to happen now. So it is going to happen later. I'm going to add as a task. Similarly, for quarterly, I'm doing it. I'm going to assign it because you are doing it. Task word is farmer sales. And category for quarterly also, it is planned. It is not happening now, right? We're going to add that as a task. Now, if we go back to your planner, which you have chosen, and if you choose the pharma one, whichever task that we have listed out, you will be able to see the entire thing, the pharma sales code. So we have added here, no, monthly,
Yes, monthly,
quarterly,
quarterly,
and this was the weekly one.
status,
Yeah.
weekly on. Yes.
So you can actually, once you're done, you can click on this. This can just go out actually, or you can drag it. So for example, it is there. Next, you want to bring it here, It's completed. Just move it here.
Okay.
So what happens?
And now and done. Okay.
Yeah, so you're done. So you can just keep on moving it. It's so easy.
Understood.
Yeah.
Understood. Okay. Understood.
You got it, right? How exactly we can look at seeing this on a
Yes.
complete manner actually. So this particular thing will help you in, you can add more people here, okay, and you can
Yes.
add more categories. I mean, workflow. Normally, it's better to keep the 3 things. This is also called as a Kanban approach. When you do this Kanban, this works, magically well. Kanban approach.
Kanban, huh?
Kanban. It's a Japanese technique. This is mainly used in the manufacturing industry because what they do is they have a huge dependency on each of the parts to come in. Even one part is not coming, that can impact the whole assembly line, right? Because
Exactly.
so they don't want to miss out anything. So this is designed for that kind of complex system. So obviously it will work for any of our, marketing, sales, anything that you want to do it, we can take and actually do it.
Yes.
Yeah. So I see Vijaya is also there. Vijaya, enable your video and then go ahead and ask the question. You're not been coming. No, you guys are not coming. You guys have already taken the course. You have paid the amount. You're not making this effort. Very bad.
A lot of learning today, at least. Spending time today only. I came early today, actually.
Yeah. So don't miss any of these things because
I actually didn't want to miss last time also, but now what's happening is because of this COVID thing. Once you come back, you have to. I was on coming back, but once you reach home now, I ensure that you have to have a bath and wash your thing and all because you cannot take a chance today.
Safety.
Any infection because elders at home and children at home. So
yes.
Really, it's become a tough situation for us now.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, Vijay, I'll do a recap at the end. So absolutely, we'll spend.
Thank you so much. I think you've been learning now what I learned today. really nice.
Yeah.
I think it will be helpful in my presentations also. I can use a lot of in my presentation.
Absolutely. So you can actually look at this and then start
plan versus actual also, no? Plan versus actuals and all. I can.
Yeah. So if you want to put this in the calendar and you want to make it a date specific one, you can start adding a date to it. A lot of things are there. You can create a list in the quarterly pharma thing, what are the other things you want to cover, right?
Okay.
For
Okay.
example, you want to,
We have a monthly plan actually. You have this tour program sort of. Where you have to cover these territories and this number of doctors and all the stuff.
yeah,
That
doctor,
planning also can be done.
yes, doctors, and what is your target? Everything
Yes,
you can
target.
keep adding, within this one checklist, one topic only, you can keep adding. So then once you go there, you can choose, okay, this is done, this is done, this is done. So you get a view actually. Then otherwise it is not there, you can take it out.
Okay.
Okay. So you can get a full task um, list, what you're having. What you can actually start adding the due dates also. That's quite,
I know that's very important actually. When you
yeah,
have to complete by deadlines.
deadlines and all. Everything can be done. See, the beauty here is you're starting with an idea.
Hmm.
We have started with an idea. See, we had not, we started, okay, we said, okay, let's do on a farmer's health. I took the topic and then we went there and then
I
we
know
started.
you almost got an idea of what and all we do now.
Yeah, right. So it's beautiful thing, you can capture
All the
it.
summaries come, no, so easily it
Yes,
comes on thing actually,
yes,
point wise.
yes.
Exactly.
You can actually put this, and an organic view.
It looks
Then,
very beautiful, organic. This view is very nice actually. Oh,
yeah,
wonderful. Beautiful actually. Yeah, small thing. You not go for this means PPT sort of, so much of space it consumes. This one is one thing you can
put everything actually. So I
exactly.
I don't like PPT at all because
Ah,
I'm a mind map person. So most of the time I would go with this, presenting. Even if you see any of my presentation, any of the webinars, I just focus on this, nothing else.
this is beautiful actually. I think next I have to sir, I want to learn this for my next presentation, my quarterly meeting. I am going to present with this mind map. That is my target now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm not going to use PPT. Let me see now. Let me try. Sir, you can put this what you call tabular columns also, like sales data or activity data in this
See,
mind map.
that is slightly complex actually. First, I would say you go ahead and digest it. But see, what happens is the data part,
But
right?
okay, you said now that videos can be put up, that photos can be put up. No,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
you have any tabular column can be put up in that.
See, you can attach here, any of those links that you want to, especially on videos and other stuff.
Okay.
Okay. So now, what can happen is, one minute, let me show you. So there's something called as a NAN chat. That NAN chat actually can help you on making sure you're planning it. Okay, let's look at the NAN chat, and then I can customize
Which
the
one you said, sir?
NAN chat. Gantt. Um, one minute. So I don't want to create a new task board. Let me see if we can do this right away. I think
GINTT. Okay.
so actually it's a separate topic. Maybe we can cover this next week because it's
No
going to
problem,
take
sir. No
time.
problem. No problem, sir. No
What
problem.
I
I
would
think
suggest, yeah,
today learning this is itself is I have to look at it now.
let you first digest this,
Yes, yes, yes,
then
yes.
we can just go through it. So this is how then timelines and all will come.
So you put that on this radical view, sir. This pharma
Radial,
sales what we created.
yeah, let me do that. Actually, we have some templates which are inbuilt. We can use that also to create this. Weave as the radial map. This is how it will look like.
Oh, wonderful. This also looks nice.
You can change the colors anyway. So you can add and everything. A lot of things are there. Okay, so we'll do a quick revamping. So yeah, let's do a quick summary of what we have learned so far.
Yes, yes.
So what we have done is we have come here. And then this basically it's an Iowa. Iowa is a web version of iMindMap. And this is the software which has been authorized, or actually I would say endorsed by Tony Eberson, because it is one of the best when it comes to the way
Mind map.
the mind map needs to be represented. So Tony Eberson has given certain specification. All these branches has to come in this way. This has to go in this way. This much thickness and other stuff. This software follows exactly the same way. You might see a lot of other softwares available in the market, but I prefer to use this because this is very much close to the authentic piece which you are having actually, right?
AYOA.
Yeah.
Iowa.com.
So, I mean, for those of you who wants to buy this, let me know. I have an affiliate link. I'll pass it on so that I can also help you out in future if you need any help actually. So now if you're looking at, you've got speed, organic and radial, 3 different views that you've got, and you've got a task board that we'll cover it later. So we told that we'll start with the speed map. The reason why we start with the speed map is it's faster actually. You can keep on adding the branches here, and we showed that you can actually also shuffle different things even if you have done it wrongly. So you can just move it around and then shuffle it around. Basically, a lot of things can be done. We also discussed about how you can add the image.
Add an image.
Add in the insert, right? So we also discussed about, anything that you can look at. So it's a problem. I'm just adding this.
Unsplash.com.
Yeah, unsplash.com, which we also covered, where you can just go and get any royalty-free images. So image size and everything we can actually, alter. You can choose the alignment and other stuff. You can do it a right alignment. You can do a cover alignment. Everything is possible. So you can just go in more detail to make that happen. So you can add the nodes for that. You can write a command. You can attach anything that you want. If you want a YouTube video, you can just put it so you can actually look at it. So, and also you can assign a task to this. And we also discussed how we can add an email ID and then attach the task. See, this is a different mind map, okay? But I'm still adding this task under you. Are you getting it, Vijay?
Yes.
So this this is a different altogether. But I can still add this task to your mind map. So yeah, those are all features which are there. We can create it. Once you create it in a radial, the normal one, we'll go and click on the organic map. So once you put in the organic map, the way
you go to the right and click on the thing now to go to the organic map from the what do you call this? Speed map to organic map.
Yeah. On the right side, you have something called as VMAX.
Add.
On that, click on speed map. This gets changed.
Yes. Okay. Now we go on the right hand side. View.
Change it to organic. Again, it will change to organic.
Okay.
Got
it.
Now this organ is there. Organic is
yes sir.
So then you also have something called as a radial map. When you actually show it in a radial map, it will come in a very, very beautiful manner.
Yes, that's a round thing, circle.
Yeah.
With the radius sort of.
I don't know. For some reason, sometimes it takes some time to do that. That's okay. So we've shown that. Once we have done that, what we also did was we wanted to figure out how the same thing, whatever the view that we are actually looking at, as a radial map. Yeah, so that's how you can get a radial map.
It's come out.
So you can just keep only images, and then that can also look very, very beautiful. You can decide how you want.
This you can realign the things, sir, here or in the radial map, no?
You can realign, but I would say easiest thing to realign is go to speed map and align.
Okay.
So if you want to do that, sales manager put this and you take this over. Then go to the radial. Go to that view. That will be easier actually.
Okay.
You don't want to
speed map.
Yeah.
Go to the speed map and do it. Okay, fine.
Right. So you don't want to clutter it. So making an alteration from here, it is not so user friendly. So whenever you want to make the change, I just go and do it.
Speed map.
Actually, speed map, yes.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So this is how it
Really
is
nice.
done. Yeah. So Vijay, this is how it is done. So we
So
just
any templates you have given, sir, in that thing, actually, whatever course you have sent in that, any templates there, sir?
some of the templates are there, but if few things are also there, you can actually, if you go to Iowa, you can
Sir.
get some templates as well. What you
Okay,
can
sir.
do is you can create a new one. You can choose a template. You can choose something called as one-to-one meeting agenda, closer,
Okay, okay.
review, business growth. Some of them are already there. Okay, let's say business growth you want to start with, right?
Yes.
You can choose this. Probably you can go through this, the next week.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, sir.
Uh,
Oh, wonderful.
so templates are already there. So for
Low impact, low effort. Relevant to us.
yeah, yeah,
Business growth.
business growth.
Very much relevant.
Yes,
Mm,
we'll cover this next week.
wonderful, sir.
We were
Yes, sir.
just looking at the plain bonds. So we
Yes, sir.
covered this thing, entire thing, and then we also looked at how you can, because when you prepare a mind map, it is an idea. Now
Yes.
the idea needs to be converted into an implementation. So how does
Yes.
that implementation happens? We have to create a task for it. So how do
Yes.
you create a task? We have to create a task board. So there are three
Yes.
different ways: Canvas, workflow, and Gantt. Gantt was there. So we covered
Oh, this
only
is
the workflow part today
okay. Okay.
because it was easier and it
Yes.
is
Yes.
more realistic for us to cover. Because other things are
Workflow.
there, this is more simplest. You don't need to
Okay, sir.
do
Okay. Okay.
rocket science. Just follow whichever is more convenient. I like this because you can keep
Simple,
on
I
it.
think.
Yeah, very simple one. And then once it is done, you keep moving. Okay. So let's say what I do is there's a rule actually when you do the Kanban mode of working, don't keep more than 3 tasks in your now section.
Planned, known, done. Okay.
So because if you keep more than 3, you will not be able to do the justice to it. So what we do is we can just keep moving it here. I'll bring it back to plan. Whatever I'm doing now, I will only get that one here. So for example, what I'm doing is currently I'm doing a mastermind, right?
Yes.
Mastermind. So I'll add it here. I'll bring it here. This is a mastermind I'm
Now,
doing it.
master one.
Yeah.
Once it's done, then you go to the next level.
Then I'll move it to done. That's it.
Yes.
I don't need to worry too much about it. So the tasks
So
are
this is a day-wise planning sort of thing. So today,
yes,
now whatever today you're going to do. So
yes,
once it's done, it's go to the next level.
next level.
Bring the next day planning.
Okay. You can
Like it's
just
like a everyday plan, day-wise plan. What we start off.
yeah. So you can prioritize because you have 2, 3. You can always choose. This one should be top and this one should be late. So this alteration can be done, and then you just go back to mind map and add it from there. Again, it will come here. For example, if we go to the business growth. Okay, I think I choose the. Okay, if I'm choosing a pharma sales,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to say that you're going to have an award ceremony.
Award ceremony. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want
Yes,
to
yes.
add this as a task, and I want to add this as part of. So I'm going to give it to Vijay is in charge pharma sales. I want to put it as under the plant, and I'll add as an art task. Okay, so it is here, but I have added it when I'm doing it. So when I come to my planner, and okay, when I look at my tasks, commerce sales, so it has come as award ceremony.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I can choose this. I can do this today, now, or I can choose that. Okay, I'll do it later. So I want to bring down quarter one less, monthly one like this. Then I'll move this. The rule is make sure not more than 3 items are in now section, so
Okay.
that your productivity will be at the highest.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Focus.
Focus.
It'll be more focused,
More
right?
focused. Yes.
Hmm.
If it comes more than 3, just move it here under plan section. Out of 3, you get it out. As soon as 1 goes out, the new one comes in.
Yes. Understood,
Got
sir.
it? Got it?
Yes,
So
yes.
this is how you can use one software to do end-to-end actually mapping. So that's why, I like, the usage of mind maps, and
Yes, sir.
how do we actually, considering these things, how do we take it to the next level? So you can keep on building. It's not that you have to get the entire thing done in one go. So normally what we do is, we start with something, then you start building on top of it. That is why these mind maps are very powerful. So the way our brain works is you don't get all the ideas in one go. So you get it in different phases. As and when you get those ideas, you start dumping it over there. Over the period of time, this becomes a very foolproof, solution that we're looking for. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any other
Thank you so much.
questions? Because we are
And
almost.
really, really, thank you so much. Really, what I learned today is more than what I've, gone through the video and all. Nothing I really,
Yeah,
just learning. I think, I had the time to spend with you today. Really,
yeah,
it's good learning. I would like to really, my thing. I want to do my presentations probably later.
very nice, very nice.
I
That's
think
what
I have
I
to
think.
put in a lot of efforts for this.
Correct, correct. No, that's the whole idea of having the mastermind group. Because the videos is only so much I can record and give, because each person has a different request that they want to do it. So I want to cover that as part of the masterminds, and that also gets benefited to everybody else, right? What they want to really
Yes,
see
sir.
it.
Yes.
And one more thing, for all of you who are a part of the mastermind, right? So one thing I'm like to convey is that currently I would like to focus more on the content building. Got more than 20 years of experience in doing mind mapping actually. So, and because of that, I have a lot of knowledge, but I want to pass it on. So I want to focus on the content building. Okay. And do you guys feel this is a real value that I'm actually doing? These weekly, webinars on the value for money and other stuff. Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Really, yes.
Yeah. Just type in yes
Agree
if
with you.
you really feel yes
Yes, sir.
for all of you. Yeah. And you feel that this is something that's going to help your family, friends, and everybody.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Now,
Yes.
what I'm actually trying to do is I want to only look at, I want to actually focus on only serious people, okay? Not with somebody who are not serious. The idea is that when you are actually looking at, that's why I want to restrict these things to only for the paid members. And so that we can actually, get the best use of it. And as a people who are already a part of the, community and who have experienced these classes, who understand the value of this, right? So this is a life skill. Once you learn, you can use it for your lifetime. So that's the life skill. So I also want you also to get an opportunity to make money out of this. It's a good product. You have seen how is it, coming out, and you can actually promote this product to all of your family and friends. The moment they come and join this, you're going to get the commission out of it. Okay. So in that way, you're learning also. Your learning is going on, and you're also getting a very good business opportunity. And because I want to keep this in a closed circle, only people who understand the importance can actually promote. Otherwise, they will not know what it is, right? So those of you who are serious, who wants to get this one promoted, who wants to promote this, do let me know. I'll actually provide you guys the affiliate link, and which will be customized for you, so that it will be an InstaMojo link. Whenever somebody makes a payment, the commission directly comes to you. Okay. So it is absolutely transparent. You don't need to worry about the money comes to your bank account. It's not that it will come to me and it will come. So InstaMojo already has that feature. We're going to leverage that. Okay. Does that sound very interesting?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So we are
More
just
than this,
getting
it's your learning. Actually, learning
right.
from you is more the thing for us.
Absolutely. So this is something amazing thing. Yeah. Do just let me know. all of you know my WhatsApp number. I'm already there. So you can
Yes, sir.
message me separately for your affiliate link, and just type in your email ID and send it to me. And I'll send you a separate link for each one of you so that it's a separate one that you can use it.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so I will be uploading all this recording on the YouTube, and I'll pass on the links. So if you want to have a look at it, you want to go through it, feel free to do it. And if you have any questions, do let me know. Okay,
Surely, sir. Surely. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you. See you. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Bye.